first 17 years of our business, we were with Legacy Tech. We have probably tried out 6 of hardware-focused POS solutions and the whole 9 yards. And my biggest challenge was reliability, hardware over-dependency, data latency is always a concern, and the fact that Legacy Tech is not scalable and flexible enough as customer preferences change when we try to adapt and add on new features or plug in stuff. Because of the coding, because of the heavy hardware dependency, there is huge inflexibility in the system. So that's the primary reason we started looking at alternative solutions, especially in the cloud space. And I think that is across the board for most of us operators who have worked with Legacy Tech. The biggest concerns are the accessibility of data and the speed at which you can retrieve data in the system. And as additional features come in, how do you plug in third-party solutions into your main frame? Because there's VPN requirement, there's server requirements, it's very hardware heavy.
We've recently made the jump from a legacy system to a cloud-based system, and one of the driving factors in that was the ability to kind of future ready our point of sale system for integration and partnerships with third-party applications, whether it's delivery, whether it's analytics, whether it's quick pay. All of those solutions are fully reliant on a very real-time active interface. And with the legacy systems, that was very, very difficult, cumbersome, and it caused many, many problems. Obviously, it was also very expensive. So moving to a much more agile and dynamic cloud-based system has enabled us to be far more efficient. We can act quicker. We've implemented so many new elements to our digital platform that we couldn't do before. And the last 6 months has been a fairly quick revolution on that front because we have the base platform that does that. So that was the main reason.
Our legacy system was a monolithic solution. So anything you want to, it doesn't support the integration. There is a lot of limitations, license issues. So whenever business requirement come to me as an IT, I had a challenge that I have to say, no, I cannot do it. So we reached the point that you have no other choice, you have to change. So whether you have to go with an integration layer or you have to go with microservices and ecosystem. So this is the decision why we moved to use RestoreWork or Posist.
So obviously we wanted to be future ready. We wanted to be digitally prepared for the future and the now, and we were just about to embark on quite an ambitious expansion program. So that involves investing in POS. So it was an optimal time for us to really make the decision to change. We've obviously changed all our existing locations now, and then future expansion will all be using a cloud-based system. So we wanted a system that was ready for the demands of delivery, omni-channel, and the readiness to have data, and we weren't really happy with that before.
Cloud-based solutions like Posist have addressed almost 99% of our pain points and are scalable. So Posist gave us a test drive, which we tried in one of our busiest restaurants to see would there be a downtime, would there be glitches, how would the staff react. And when all of that came back saying this is brilliant is when we rolled it out. And like what happened with Herfy, though we are a smaller business, we rolled it out in about 60 days, 20 stores without disrupting the business. And now we have been on the cloud solution for about 2 years. And there was a time when almost every day we would have dozens of emails about connectivity issues, and this table is not showing in the system, and this item is not showing in the KTS. And today, at least for 24 months, we have never had a glitch.
Decision to move from legacy to new system, especially with the size of Herfy, 400 stores you have, you cannot interrupt operations. So to overcome all these challenges, what we have done, I will add, I'll agree with George, what he said. You need not an IT team only, you need a team inside the company. So what we have done, we have established a team from cross-functional, okay, operation, finance, call center, home delivery, IT. We put clear requirements, what exactly we need, where is our pain points. Then we have established a test lab. We have tested more than 10 solutions in the regions. Then we decided to go with Posist. We ran a POC for 6 months in 2 stores. We made sure this is the system, this is the right system we need. Then we moved forward. The implementation part of it, also another challenge. And the implementation, it was not an IT project. What we have done, we collected from operation team to give the training of the people. And I can tell you that we have done the implementation within 100 days only for the 400 stores with zero IT involvement. We were only managing the project. We qualified the operation team, the operation 5 team members that they were giving the training and going across the region. IT part was only the technical part of it. That's it. We'll go make the connection and that's it. They have to give the training. They will give escalations. We published a dashboard for the progress, and if there is any problem, we have daily meetings with Posist team. And also, I'll add to that, also, no one from Posist team was available in Saudi Arabia while running the project. So we have implemented it with 100% offshore. That's it.
Interesting.
Yeah.
The biggest advantage is it's cost effective and the results are instant and it is scalable. APIs are openly available. If I wanted to do anything with legacy tech, I need coding, I need additional hardware. Everything starts with, oh, that cannot be done, but if we have to do it, there's a lead time and there's man hours involved and you have to pay for it. While with this, any third-party integration, open APIs are available, and across the board, it's a very democratic solution.